From millionaire to nothing. Former Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder George Libisi speaks about the difficulties that footballers are confronted with after retiring from professional football. Let us listen to this clip.
It's a short career, so you have to do what you can do to be on top of the game. Short? It's very short. 10 years moves quick. Moves quick. I remember now I was signing a contract. I was 18. Now I go around and I walk around. People call me Grotman. How did that happen so quick? So while you're playing, you're having fun, you're enjoying. It just moves. Next thing, it's done.
While you in it, does it feel like it won't end though?
Yeah, it feels like it won't end.
Ne?
You feel like you're gonna play forever, and that's not true.
Yeah.
That's why all these advisors, investments, and backup